The leopard is nature's special forces operative, moving silently and invisibly through the woodland and savanna of Africa. To us, they are the epitome of sublime feline magnificence. To their prey, they are the soundless, unseen but ever-threatening presence of death. The leopard's method is a patient, secret stalk, followed by an explosive pounce, and then a lethal throat hold. Once dinner is dead, it must be secured from thieves. A pantry in a tree is an excellent solution.
Look at that incredible strength. Oh, he nearly fell over. Look how high he's taken it. Absolutely incredible.
But the wilderness has produced some persistent and ingenious villains. Because leopards are solitary hunters, they cannot afford to take physical risks, despite their often superior strength and speed. The scavengers know this. But time has not only blessed the leopard with ruthless grace and power. Patience is a virtue leopards possess in abundance. With their poise and style, leopards must surely be the most elegant yet lethal of nature's hunters. If you enjoy that little taste of Africa, click subscribe here on top of this baboon's skull, and you can see more of the highlights from our daily African safaris. Then, on the right here, if you click the little bell, you'll be notified every time we go live at dawn and dusk.